Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm back in the kitchen with another one this evening, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do a weight loss. A big recipe which a lot of people keep requesting. I'm gonna be using some spinach, and right here I have some fresh mint which I'm already prepared. So this is some fresh mint which I'm gonna put also inside of it. I'm gonna put a portion of fresh mint because fresh mint play a big role in weight loss, if a lot of people doesn't know. Okay. So right there we got fresh mint and some spinach inside of my blender. All right, then what I'm gonna do next is get some celery. So we're gonna get some celery. All right, guys, look at this celery. So this is a weight loss recipe where you can drink at least 2 to 3 times a day, if you like to, if you make a large portion. All right, super healthy and delicious. Nice one. So we got the celery, and we got some fresh mint, and we got some spinach. All right. So next we're going to put some avocado. We're gonna put some avocado inside of it. All right. I love avocado, guys. So we got some avocado. Now what we're gonna do next is squeeze rough about half a lemon juice into it like this. All right. I'm just gonna get a little piece of a ginger, not much, just a tiny piece of a ginger to bring in a lovely flavor to it. That's a little piece of a ginger that can make the difference into it. All right, but in weight loss, I like to use like some. Can use either coriander or parsley. So I have a little bit more fresh coriander. I just have a little bit of fresh coriander, which I'm gonna also put inside of it. Okay, trust me, that's gonna be amazing when I put the coriander inside of it. I got some flaxseed. I don't know if you guys ever used flaxseed before, but flaxseed is really good in weight loss also. We're gonna put a teaspoon of flaxseed inside of it. So we got the spinach, we got celery, we got avocado, we got ginger and some lemon and some flaxseed. Okay, so basically, if a lot of people doesn't know that, we got some spinach inside of it. So spinach is like iron. You get a lot of iron from spinach. So let's do this one to make you guys can see exactly what I'm doing in the kitchen with this weight loss recipe. And we got some peppermint, fresh mint inside of it. So we're gonna put some water. You can use milk or you can use water. All right, so we're gonna be using some water. We do not want it to split, so we're not gonna be using too much liquid. We're gonna try and use less water because we don't want it to split. So let's cover. All right, if you want, you can put a little bit of honey or organic honey, but I just think drink it natural like this is amazing. what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it and we're gonna take a look. All right, to see how it look. So this is a little bit thick, as you can see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour a little bit water inside of it, but at the same time, we do not want it to split. All right, because of the avocado. So the avocado gonna give it that beautiful smoothie look. So let's give it one more blend. Lovely. I think that's it now, guys. That's looking amazing. All right, let's take a look now. Okay, now as you can see, because the avocado will give it a total different look, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. All right, look at that. All right, so this is beautiful and nice. So you can have this in the morning or whatever time at the day. All right, so look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. So if you like this one, guys, as I say, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, 100%. That is fantastic. All right, look at that. Wow, that's exactly what I'm talking about. You see that? That is beautiful. So you guys definitely can do this one at home. All right, it doesn't complicate it, and trust me, it is just something totally different. Which I would encourage you guys to give a try at home. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you another recipe. This one is for high blood pressure, guys. Okay, if you're suffering from high blood pressure, trust me, because we got a lot of recipes can share with you, okay? But there are certain kind of recipe which I love to share with you guys, and I know you will love this kind of recipe, because these are some healthy, beautiful recipes, smoothie recipe, which is just an amazing for you to make at home, okay? So I would encourage you, if you have the time, go in the kitchen and make this kind of recipe. It's just something totally different, something amazing, and something which you can make any time of the day. So I will just encourage you to do this one. All right, beautiful. The flavor, the texture is just amazing. All right, and it's just healthy and delicious. Okay, so what we're gonna